usebenza as i-security, umsebenzi wakhe usecure indawo le ela, uyabona. Na lipolisa leli liyangichaza nje liyavuma. Lithi indawo lenhleke kade khulu isikhuzana ngayo. Kuthi ukuthi bayanyaza. Because ngicabanga ukuthi abantu basikhombe ngeqiniso. Because this place bathi bagcwele. Abanye balala they confirm that uthi kimi uyathembisa nje uthi kithi manje feeling I understand. There's angikuthi yena ke kuthi thana bekakhona bekazukuzala angena ukwenza arrest. Nebona. So uthi thina ngeke sikhona ungena sokwenza arrest because those people baxatshiwe ukuthi bavimbe yonke into engenako la. So now nathi ngokwethu ngiya-understand abaningi beni nokuthoma ninokugive up ngiyakwazi lokho. Ukugive up akugcwele ngaphakathi nokuthi sizela amala sisipenda imali simotsha isikhathi senza ini akusilula ukuthola umbereko bakwethu and akusilula ukuthi uthole ithuba uyokujama esikhathini esiningi uba uhlele ekhaya uzibuza ukuthi mara ngiyokwenzana. So okuvikeni kwakho ningazinyazi ningayinyazi into niyenze nje. So njengoba nikhambile si-actile bangithembisa angazi ukuthi singenzani. If there was enough funds besokubuya la kusasa njengoba kusasa amaphoyisa ngithembisa ukuthi bazokuba nathi la nebe Department of Labor bazokubala. So ngiba ukuthi abakhonako ukuvuka enizaziko imveni ungabi neveni ekhuphukako eza ngapha. Ungabi namaphandle nibabona kubavuka beze ngapha. Niyang understand? Because nje uyathi ukuthi ngiyithi esivulela this whole thing. Siyabalisa balala le emakhaya beza la emberegweni bese thina siyabuya sithi napha abantu babereka. So ngamanye amagama thina nje kusasa enye thina ngizokukhetha kunabantu sobakhetha kuthi uthi asiyokulala siyokudamela inkolo ezibuyako. Ukuthi babuya baberekaphi. Niyang understand? Sibathola sibuze ne driver wekolo ukuthi ungibani wena driver. There is no uthi uSouth Africa ukhweza amaphandle asikazoyivuma la.
Never.
Nebona. So into sesiyenze njengoba sihlangene la. Asizameni ukuthi this guy uyayichaza ukuphila. Mina nje ngingakutshela ukuthi kunomuntu ongaphakathi ukuthi ucollect imali. Ubathathela imali amaphandle bambhadela lephandle naye. You understand? Uyadiza. Mina ngingakukhombisa that evidence ukuthi nasi proving nanje ekhana bengizokukhombisa. It's just that ukuthi okhunye sisemberegweni sisabukhuluma. This is what I can show you ukuthi kunomuntu othengisa umbereko uthengisela amaphandle.
Abanye balala la ikomponi.
Yes, nalabo balala la ikomponi. So uthi le infuna impenilwa konje ngiyayibona and I understand ngiyabona ifrustration yabantu. But ke ukungi-attack or ukwenza yonke lento ngeke kusikhelebhe nganext because mina yabona nje ngithetha amanamba akhe uthi kimi mina ngiyambuza ngithi imvene ezingaka eziphumako la uthi mina njengoba ningibona ngiso ngine shift yami ishift amase ufika isikhathi esingaka ngiyachayisa angeke ngakutshela ukuthi abantu abaphuma kubayingaka baphuma isikhathi bani but banengi anisisendaweni errong kuthi ukuthi la sikhona silola into siyazi kuyiliciniso vele bakhona bayabereka ngaphakathi so manje sesizandleni zani. Okay, can you say
so wazana na ino kuchamcha kwa Brian. Agenda tomorrow mtota hapo ndio ile. Piano ngaritsa nama bakasiba shift wa yabo ditlhare.
As I said, this matter inako yani ya maphodisa the Department of Labor. Rena as batho akere mantswa ntle a ileng gore tlo gopela gore ba e go di company. We will write a letter now to address because at the end of the day ba tlo botsa gore a citizens or a civil kana right ya gore ka dirang akatla fitla tlo search ka kwa ka company. The only people that we need to work with ke law enforcement. They must allow us also to accompany them to observe because if you are observing thongoleng ba o re botsa akere mapolisa ba re no na re tsamaile batho a re tsamaile mi swantse re arrest re nosh. So I am pleading with them but no it's fine because identical force reaziva or you are working with people. You understand? So nje this never amapunula they don't care about us.
Yes.
Nyabona bona bathi bayazi ukuthi bokutoya but this one it indicates the seriousness of us as South Africans ukuthi we know this place and then it was verified. They are also the ones that we are calling bangaphakathi bathi ngena nsongena bese kuthoma kwenzeka la
the where se tswele furu re ba check ba selatsana ka gare
problem ko swantse ba tshware before yes delaying before because ona ba bang ba dula ngona ka di-class
that's why where se
re ka tsoba furu akere go tsoba ngare we have to understand or are we fighting these illegal immigrants or reclaim miracle or are we fighting for our freedom gore ge le gore ke re mongwe gore ngimkhipile ngifuna ungena if we are saying re go tshwana le rena rena ke re alo a re nyake mmereko re lela gore batho ba tsena so go tlo tlosa batho go tshwana go ntse tse le tsogile le tlile re tlo nyaka mmereko in our hope be re tseba gore if there is an opportunity ba tswa if there are those ba ileng gore ba na le dipelo ba go understand they were going to make sure gore ba ba tlose ba re no re hireng batho but because of baki ba boletse vele le mapu ba re batho baki ba na le dipelo tse dimpe ba ipuditse gore no nna re tlo they knows we are going to give up
never
they knows gore give up again o ntse tse ba ntshile kwa tile re a re tsogile frugo ba re sepitse mmereko na ga dire ga selo yes thathi male tokugcina nje ngilambile ngangasela amanzi guys when we fight silwa sonke mina ngilwela nina ngizilweni
nabazi ukuthi wena u-own plus
yes and you need to understand na ke telwe
di ka samaya ga botsa nako e wa
ke le ka check batho ba ke ba diretse plan ba tseneng di plasing ke ba bantsi and I'm still going to continue but as long as le mpha chance gore pile re lwele le ska ba le chance gore pile wa re bolai so tla ka rena then you are lowering my dignity as well but let's work together guys to fight this not today but tomorrow or after tomorrow at the end of the day we will win this battle you understand go fihla I just want to apologize for everything eleng gore diragetse and hopefully lokho kuyokhombisa nomasipala wethu akhona ukubona ukuthi abantu abangabereki banengangangani cala nkhethi musiphathiza ama South Africa abawufuna umbereko emaplazini but ngendlela eniphume ngobunengi ngakhona kuyazikhombisa ukuthi anibereki nifuna ukubereka nifuna ukuhlokomela abantwana benu nifuna ukuhlokomela abazali benu so now let's not take ourselves easy let's continue no guys ni okay
nawe ngo-orange utetumutu
nezisisa
lo tse serious
so bona ba sala okay it's fine guys I can see gore can anyone have any comment ke gopela gore let's forget about that one let's talk about what we are here for arbuleleng what is the way forward bafo sondela nginikeze ithuba
ukubuza ukuthi indlela phambili nje bafuna ngithuke lapho
yeah
indlela phambili nje yini
ngilesi phethe
linde
nje silinda ukushare this information esele sishare nje uyasizwile ukuthi sishare information le gileyo engiyithola kuma stakeholders they are aware of the situation ngamanye amagama la size khona size endaweni eright
station commander says
nini
station commander
azange sithembisa ukuza umuntu othembisa ukuza ngelaba abadila ngamaplaza ne bekathize kune vene 1 so nabo laba bebabiza amaphoyisa ngiyangizwisisa manje i-station commander lo nimzwile benilayiduza ngisho lo muntu ekhuluma wathi unfortunately ukude bethana bekakhona bekazokuza zokusota this thing once and for all ngisho yes ngamanye amagama u-station commander lo esimtholile lo udila ngamaplaza always uthi no uyazi naye aware about this issue yala ngiyabawa bakwethu ithi ngitsho so ngibawa ukuzokubawa phezulu kwamanzi asitsho that is why ngithi lento bathwile abantu bathibili lento siyakubona uyiphusha uyi1 ne but sibawa ukuthi sibe yingcenye nawo sik-assist bezile ningiboni benginamanye amaphoyisa ngisho khona lapha esayidini bakhuluma nama bazile bazongisabatsha ukuthi na nje basangithipha but no the best way let's organize sithi abantu ababereka abanamali zama transport we can request from kusoma asitsho niyawakhwela ama taxi ekhaya everything nakuwabhadela nibo mona so then ke sokubawa sokuphaphatha kibo sithi sibawa ukuthi nisisekelele nikhambeni nathi lapha sokubawa because asina next kuthi ukuthi sibaweni abanamalori singaba ukuthi abanibhadelise because enisuka kude enisuka kuphi niyangizwisisa so that ukuthi size la sizokuthola lento esifunayo niyangizwisisa siyokuphaphatha nje njengoba ngikhuluma nansona ngikuthi ukuthi nangisuka la mina I'm still going to Polokwane njengoba ngisuka la so I'm still saying that I'm not going to sleep until nizenthola umbereko already I've got your list ne i-list ile angitsho ukuthi ngiyaza nabanye abangekho ku list umuntu omunye nomunye ufuna umbereko not just because of usibhala i-list abanye sibarahela ngaphandle i-list ile angiyokuthi ukuthi sokufonela sithi nikuphi zana kumthu angisho siyakhamba emaplazini bangangifonela njengoba sifoma i-structure esizokhuluma nabantu you understand la khona ama stakeholders amanye abathi zeki bafuna ukuhelebhisana kanye nami nabantu bekhaya bazile bebazokuobserve nini kumele babone ukuthi siyabona lento elela ukuthi ngangani but ithi singakulisi uyi1 sihelebe so njengoba kuso sithokuthoma bokuobserve ukukhamba ngenkolo ezabathola ama stakeholders bonke la sibahlanganisa so forma i-forum nengizwisisa i-forum lezo khona ukuthi singafika isijanyiso siyazi ukuthi iforum course isinikeza impendulo isinikeza abantu niyangizwisisa singasacashi bathi umuntu ngoba une-transport ubiza abantu bakhe into esibulalisileko maveni afuna abantu uthola ukuthi abekho bafuna abantu same time umuntu ureveni uthatha amafureni yawathatha ubalethe emaplazini niyazwisisa because yena ufuna ukudla umnikazi eveni so let's try all as much as we can guys ukuthi kusasa let's be here and then ngiyabawa endleleni nanikhona ukubabona mina ngibawa yabona umuntu wangithumela isithombe you need to take a photo number plate ekoloyi nabantu labo shooter let's gather that information izokhona ukusihelebha thina sinasifika kwesikhona bangathi utsho ubabonephi asina evidence njengoba size la nakho ufakazi ukhona at least asikaze endaweni errong okhunye na ufika cala lapha besithi si-transport bakhona bangitsheli bangifoni bathi Billy thina la asinawo amaphandle we can assure you nabangaphakathi bangiconfirmele bathi yabona lapho khona bekho unless emasimini nezwisisa so asizameni ukuthi kusasa sihlanganeni kwanjesi abakhona ko mina ngiba ukuthi njengoba nginama contact abangizopublisha ne nangabe angeke ngikhona ukunifonela nokho ngizopublisha ngitsho ukuthi i-transport ikhona ngingasathi i-transport yokuthatha abantu abayi-40 kufika abantu abayi-300 ngitsho ukuthi kunama-transport aso aconfirmile ungafiki lapha ngibize ama-taxi ayi-20 kufika abantu abadlula ama-taxi ayi-20 bese abanye balwa nami bathi uBhili usitshile gonjwa akere wa tseba gore ke plastic wa tseba mola ga botse ba mola di-vetching ngitsho ba khwela lapha ema-vetching ya kona esikhathini esiningi
inyaka nkuma-chipisa
machipisa ngike
because I remember
yes kama chipisa ndi mola di-vetching yes uvinjwe lezo sivele siyigroup so
lapho ngela vele
kena na gore inyaka furu batho ba namela furu rena angitsho njengoba ngitshilo ukuthi angeke ngikhona ukunivusa abanye kuseni so ngina ma stakeholders abanye abazinikele ukuthi bafuna ukhelebhisana nami ukhelebhisana nami ukuthi bazongikhelebha ukubamba inkoloyi bese mina my job is to do what is to expose ukuthi ngithizeni bereka bachaze amaphepha vela sitsho bathize sina right ukuthi sibabuza ama permit asikazi siyabajamisa amaphoyisa angitsho bazokwenza wabumbereko bathi zina simbona laba abantu aba they knows ukuthi guys once amaphoyisa kusase njengoba bathembisile bakuthola une foreigner guys ngaphakathi ucashile is 10,000 bayingani sizokulwa until size sicashwe sonke ngiyathokoza guys
yakusasa kusho ukuthi sihlangana isikhathi manje
I'm going to publish it
okay
yeah
nerjorlena kanini
yeah nakaningi khapha mali everywhere guys